These are literally the best lights for rooms, and you will definitely enjoy today's review. But before we start, please subscribe this channel and press bell notification icon to get more videos and updates. These are Govee LED light strips, and they are the best RGBIC strip lights you can buy. You can see the link in description and see its discount price. The Govee strip light is rated 4.6 stars. That makes it more trustworthy and amazing among people. It is available in two sizes, 16.4 feet and 32.8 feet. You can also control these lights with your phone from anywhere. It works with Google Assistant and Alexa. It has amazing features like colorful lighting, DIY mode, music mode, adjust brightness, segmented color control. You can adjust timers, etc. Let's unbox it. In this box, you will find user manual, 5-meter-long strip and controller, adapter and clips. Plug adapter and connect it to strip lights. Controller has 3 buttons. Turn the lights on and off. Second button is for cycle through colors. Third one is for enter music mode. You can press and hold to cycle through brightness levels. The mic is located on the right side of the controller, so make sure you keep this close to your music source for the best results. You can control these lights through Govee Home app. Just download app from store and follow on-screen instructions. Highly recommended these lights. Just click on the link below in description and get yours. Please leave your feedback and comments, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos.